Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve another problem, that is drop missing data. So here it is written, there are some rows having missing values in the name column and we have to write a solution to remove the rows with those missing values. As we can see in the input that there in the name column there are some entries with values as none, and we have to remove those values from our data frame. So for that we will simply be writing it as students dot drop NA. Then we will provide the name of the column. So we'll write it as subset is equal to name, and we want the changes to be reflected in the same data frame. So we'll set in place is equal to true and return students. Let me quickly submit it. And that was all for today. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.